Expand furniture. Expand Furniture offers a variety of custom furniture that saves space, including transforming offices, expanding dining tables, Murphy sofas, wall beds, and more. For example, this versatile sectional sofa is built with modules weighted together so that the sectional can stay in a set formation of your choice. The entire sofa is modular, so you can reconfigure its form. Reverse the chase to the left or the right side. You can split the sofa into smaller sets or add more modules to make it larger. Also, this modern sleek coffee table combines a lift-top mechanism with extra concealed storage that can fit 4 nano folding chairs. The lift top raises to a convenient height to use your laptop or have a snack while sitting on your sofa. Podium Atelier designs. If you're looking to maximize the space in your bedroom, or just happen to be looking to have the most amazing, unique, and modern bedroom setup ever, you may want to consider checking out the Podium Atelier company. They make these fantastic podium beds that'll turn your bedroom or home into savvy storage spaces with catchy designs and space-saving ideas. The podium contains spacious pull-out cabinets, a wardrobe, and drawers. Above, there is a spot where you can place your bed. Domino Transformer Sofa. Sofa beds are one of the most versatile large furniture items on the market, and they're a veritable must-have for many homeowners. They might look like ordinary sofas by day, but these shapeshifters conveniently turn into cozy beds by night. So when you choose a sofa bed, you're getting a dual-use piece of furniture. This transformable sofa bed, which goes from seating space to a full bed in just a few seconds, turns any room into a comfy spot to snooze or a spare bedroom. Ginsburg Murphy Bed. If you have a tiny apartment, or you've been considering how you're going to make that flex space in your homework as both a bedroom and office, you need to invest in a Murphy bed. The Ginsburg Murphy Bed with desk is ideal for an office or other multifunctional space, as it offers a small desk on the exterior, making the piece functional when the bed is closed. Hettich bathroom storage. Here, the mirror cabinet holds a special surprise. The mirror, in combination with Slideline M sliding door and Sensi's hinges, releases enough storage space, then the double mirror swivels laterally, ideal for styling. Profischnapp Bettsofas. Sofa beds are a great way to transform any room into a sleeping space, making them a functional addition to virtually any home. The best sofa beds combine stylish form with practical function, and this sofa bed from Profischnapp does just that. It's helpful in small spaces like small apartments, and it's perfect for a room that serves a dual function, like a guest room in a home office. Okamiki Wall Bed. Having an additional mattress is great for sleepovers and unexpected guests, but there's just one problem: space. When you're limited on space, a wall bed is the perfect compact solution. Also known as a fold-down bed or a pull-down bed, these beds tuck away into a wall, a closet, or a cabinet when not in use. The best wall beds easily convert from home office or living room into a guest bedroom while being comfortable, safe, and sturdy. With this wall bed from Okamiki, you can reclaim the space by folding away the bed when not in use. Micro office. Having a dedicated room as your study or office is a luxury that few people can afford these days. If you need a place to work but are stuck for room, this micro office from Wood Nerd Indonesia could be the ideal solution. The desk and chair fit snugly within the drawer space and can be set up or put away in just a few seconds. Cosys furniture. One space rarely used to its full potential is the area under the stairs. The Korean company Cosys is seeking to change that through a combination of cabinets, shelves, and pull-out drawers. Plus, it contains a slide-out for preparing food, studying, or anything you wish. As you notice, everything folds away neatly without compromising the structural integrity of the stairs. Different size cabinets and drawers are always helpful too. SAM Furniture System. SAM is a circular furniture system that includes the kitchen, bathroom, heating, ventilation, and electricity. It can be perfectly implemented into apartments, modular homes, offices, and commercial spaces. This furniture system also comes integrated with a modern Murphy bed that folds into a cabinet. Lowering the custom Murphy bed will create an instant guest room.